How to apply for change of ownership. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for change of motor vehicle ownership. Just follow these easy steps. Go to your web browser and type www.zra.org.zm to access the ZRA website. Once you have accessed the ZRA website, click on Login. Enter your login details, then click Sign In. You will be logged in into your account. Next, select Registration on the left panel, then choose Applications from the drop-down menu. Then click here to access the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Application for Change of Ownership under Applications for Motor Vehicle. You will be required to fill in your details here. Then click Next to continue. After entering the details, upload the relevant documentation here, including the car's white book, source of funds file, and any other supporting documents. Then click Submit Registration. A confirmation message will be displayed on your screen for successful change of ownership submission. ZRA, my tax, your tax, our destiny.